Want to replace the power cable of your coffee machine? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver, pliers, and a new power cable. Step 1. Remove the casing. Start by unscrewing the screws at the back and remove the back panel. Then take the water reservoir out of the machine. Next, slide the sides of the casing loose. Now unscrew the screws from the top and front of the casing. When removing the top, be careful to gently disconnect the earth wire. Step 2. Remove the old power cable. Unlock the latch and remove the cable from the holder. Then use pliers to disconnect the earth wire and other cables from the circuit board. You might want to take a photo for reference during reassembly. Step 3. Install the new power cable. Reconnect the cables to the correct spots. Place the cable in the holder and secure the latch. Step 4. Put the casing back on. First, reconnect the earth wire and place the top of the casing back. Tighten the screws firmly. Then click both sides back into place. Finally, put the back panel back on and tighten those screws well too. You've replaced the power cable and the coffee machine is ready to use again.